How to log in to Wells Fargo online banking account. So if you want to log in, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar, search for Wells Fargo. And after searching on the first search, you will have www.wellsfargo.com. Click on that. And now to log in or to sign into your account, on the upper right corner you will have sign on option, or you can also sign in from here. So first you have to enter your username of Wells Fargo, and after entering your username you have to enter your password, and you have to click here so that you will save your username. But if you forgot your username and password, you can click on forgot username and password, and then you can reset or recover your username and password. But if you remember, then simply enter your username and password, and after that you can click on sign on, and that's it, and you'll be logged into your account. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.